Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace text in Photopea online. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, we have this text right here, but I cannot change it directly because it's stuck in the background. That is how the picture is, it's a screenshot. So to change it, all you have to do is select a color that matches the background. So you're going to click on this ink drop button and then click on the image itself for the background of the text. And that is it. Then from here, you're going to go to the brush section right here for the brush tool, and you're going to basically wipe out the text that you had. So as you can see, when you wipe out the text, it basically goes away because it goes blend with the background. Now finally, before you go to the text, you're going to detect which font has been used so that you can match it before. So for this one, it was clear that it was Arial, but in other chances, you can screenshot it and then go to a website that is a font detector like this one. And then from here, you can select whichever image that you have, paste it, and it will tell you which font it is. And then from here, you can use a similar font from here, which brings us to the last step. So from here, we're going to create a text, create it like that. Then from here, you can write whatever you want. So for example, subscribe, you can subscribe. Then from here, we're going to just edit it however much we would like. So for example, right here, type tool. And then from here, we can check all the typing necessary details. So I'm going to highlight it, increase the size maybe. We're going to paragraph it in the middle, and then we're going to change the font. And there you go, simple as that. We have replaced the text from the image that is clear in the background. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.